it do? What's good, YouTube and sneaker fam? It is your girl 313 Retro Queen, and I am back to review with you the Air Jordan 1 High OG Bloodline. Again, here we go. We got the black, the red, and the white colorway. Now I know what y'all saying. How many ones they're gonna come out with this colorway? But for me, it's a classic colorway. It is the colorway. So no matter how many they drop in it, it look dope. I'm probably gonna grab that. So here we go. This, of course, is a grade school. It's my size. I guess I can start out. Let me show y'all this box here. Got these from my local Foot Locker. Size 6. That's my size right there. Again, let me show y'all this shoe. All right, here we go. Here you have it. This is the Bloodline. All right. Got a little scuff mark on my shoe on this side. But all right, I get that off. It comes with the red laces in it. And then you have 2 extra laces over here. You have the white and you have the black. Let's see here. Black look like, oh no, those aren't metal tips. Just regular tips on here. And then in red writing on the shoestring, the black pair, you have the words, "Who said man was not meant to fly?" So, I don't know if these are an official Fearless pack type of deal or not, but it's dropping right in the middle of all that. The leather's pretty okay on these, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, they're pretty dope. I'm just digging the fact that they had this red piping coming around here. I think that's very dope. But as you can see, you got the red outsole, you got the white midsole, you got the black swoosh on here, and it's outlined in red, just like everything else around here with the black. You see it outlined in red. You got the white background for the swoosh. You got the black collar up here, again outline. Here's the back view of that shoe right there, coming around to the lateral side that looks identical to the medial side, except for this right here. Now, y'all look close. Yes, there is a Wings logo on here. Now, if there was one thing I could change about this, it would be the Wings logo. Now, I know they don't generally put the metal ones on here, but I would prefer this to be outlined in red, all red, something of the sort, like stitched in here instead of embossed, so that it would bring that out and you could see that Wings logo. That's the only thing I see on here I would change. You have the white tongue, nylon tongue up here. You have the Nike Air on there. And you got your normal stuff on the inside here. Nothing special. Oh, well, yeah, we got a little something different in here. It actually says, "Who said man was not meant to fly?" So that is actually on the inside of the shoe, if you can see that in there. Again, I'm grade school, so you got your cardboard paper here. Other than that, I mean, it's a pretty decent shoe. It's a 1, you know, it does what it do. But if y'all was able to cop this shoe, if you wanted to cop this shoe, drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. Do y'all think Jordan brand should lay off of this colorway? Do you think we have way too many ones in the black, red, and white colorway? Let me know what you think. I mean, like I said, for me, it's Chicago. Jordan is Chicago. Jordan is UNC. So you're going to see a lot of those colorways. And I just think, honestly, it's dope that they can make so many of this silhouette in this exact colorway and change it so much. So I appreciate that. You know, that's what I think. That's my thoughts on it. So let me know your thoughts. Again, it is your girl 313 Retro Queen. I am on the road to 1K. So go ahead, y'all, share my vid, subscribe, like it, drop me a comment. Let's do a little talking about this colorway right here. As you can see, I love it, but some people don't like it as much. But again, on the road to 1K, I'm gonna drop a collection video when I get to 1K. I mean, I don't know if you've been watching, but your girl got a few little things over here. So I love to share that with y'all. But until next time, my next cop, peace.